In a similar way to how layers interact with each other by applying a different blend mode to them, layer styles have to do with the specific layer that you're working on. And it gives that layer some accoutrement or like some flair, you know? It gives the layer certain elements that kind of like fluff it up and make it look, you know, a little bit better. So that's the way I'm going to describe layer styles. I'm going to select my text layer, and there are a couple of different ways that you can get to the layer style dialog box. The first is going to be in the bottom of our layers window, and it's this little FX button that you see down here. If we click on it, you have all of your different layer style options that you can apply to your specific image. The other way to get to your layer styles is to just double click on the empty area of your layer over here on the right. So we'll double click it, and that will bring up our layer style dialog box. If you're more of a menu type of person, you can always go into your layer menu and you can choose layer style from the menu item as well. The reason why this is grayed out is because we are already in our layer style dialog box. We're going to talk about a few things here in this box, but by far the thing that I use most is going to be the blend if sliders. This basically plots the brightness or darkness value of every single pixel in your current layer or your underlying layer on a bar, and it allows you to increase or decrease the visibility of the current layer depending on how bright or dark the pixel is, either on this layer or on the underlying layer. So the layer that we have currently as it stands selected right now is our Christina text layer, right? So the Christina text layer is one color, it's just red. Okay, so instead, what I'd like to do is play around with the sliders on the underlying layer bar here. And so what we'll do is if we pull back the slider of our underlying layer, anywhere where the underlying layer is medium gray or brighter, the Christina layer is going to be invisible. Can you see over here the part of the K and the R is almost completely gone, and the I is almost completely gone, and also the A? In the same vein, anywhere where the underlying layer is darker, I can also pull that slider, and then all of a sudden where the underlying layer is darker, the word Christina also disappears from, let's say, you know, the darkest fifth of the image is now, the word Christina is going to be invisible on top of it. Now, if for any reason you don't want the edge, the transfer edge, where it's visible and where it's invisible to be extremely sharp, you can hold down Option or Alt and you can divide these little arrows to allow for a much smoother transition between visible and invisible. Okay, so just keep that in mind as well. But let me just take this back to baseline just to show you guys something else. You do have the option not to change the gray value, but also to change the red, the green, or the blue value as well. So as you can see here, if I select red, and I'm going to modify this layer this time, and I pull that down, immediately anything that's red is going to be invisible, okay? The other thing that we can do with this layer style dialog box open is we can bevel and emboss our text, making it look and give the illusion that it's 3D, which is a nice added bonus. And also we can add, let's say we're going to add an outer glow. So let's select outer glow, And what this will do is it's going to add a glowing effect to the outside edges of our layer. Let's change the color of our glow from pink to yellow. Why not? And let's decrease the amount of noise within our glow. Okay, that looks a little better. Now we can go ahead and press OK. And there is one thing that I would like to show you. Over in our layers menu, we have opacity. We have a slider for opacity, and we also have a slider for fill. And a lot of people, the first time they play around with this, they think, oh, well, it's basically the same thing. What's the difference? So anytime you have a stroke or you have anything that's going on around the outside of your image, of your layer, if you decrease the opacity, it's going to not only decrease the pixels themselves, but it's going to decrease the effect or what's inside it and what's outside it. So basically the effect, the glowing effect that we added, and the pixels of the word that we added, right? If we decrease the fill instead, what's going to happen is the pixels within that layer are going to become invisible while the effects stay visible. So you can see we have our Christina layer here, but the redness of our Christina layer has disappeared. All we are left with is the highlights and shadows of the layer and also the glow. Anytime we want to turn on and off the visibility of a specific layer style, you just click the eyeball next to the specific layer style that's applied to the layer, and that's going to allow you to toggle between the different effects that you see. So basically, fill is going to just remove the inner pixels, and then opacity is going to take down the visibility of the entire layer, the entire text layer that we're working with. The same thing rings true for our starburst. Okay, because our starburst has an internal color and a stroke, I'm going to just use my move tool and I'm going to bring my starburst over here. I'm going to zoom in. Because the starburst has an internal component and an external component, meaning the stroke, if we decrease the opacity, the entire thing becomes less visible. But if we decrease the fill, only the inner color is going to be removed and the stroke will remain. Using layer styles in your everyday workflow is going to be something that becomes almost second nature to you once you realize what the capabilities are and how to use them and implement them in your workflow. So I hope you guys take the time and really dive into what's capable within that layer style dialog box so that you can see how to use it in every single type of retouching. You will see me use that layer style dialog box quite a bit in some of my upcoming classes. So definitely keep an eye out for that. In our next chapter, we're going to talk about adjustment layers.